Hello guys, welcome back to another Blender video. I'm here after very long time. If you'd see, my last video was almost 5 years ago. That's a long time. Okay, let's get into the video. Today we are going to see or explore the physics inside Blender. So first of all, the rituals will select all, delete the default cube, and to make something work, the physics on, we're going to add, you guessed it right, a cube. Let's add a plane, scale it twice or thrice or 5 times. That's look good. Grab the cube, press Z1, it's up by 1 unit. Now the main thing, let's get and see what do we have got in the physics properties. Force fields, collisions, cloth, dynamic paint, soft body, fluid, rigid body, and finally the rigid body constraints. Pretty interesting, all of them. I wished I could use all of them in single scene, something like a boat sailing in ocean with force field of wind blowing, with collision of an iceberg, with flag of with cloth modifier, dynamic paint going through the ocean, soft body to the iceberg, fluid for the ocean or water getting into the ship, rigid body for iceberg and ship collision, and same thing for rigid body constraint. But looking at my small system here, even if thinking and speaking of it, it's getting a thought, so maybe someday we'll try it. But today just let's go from one property to other. So I have basic knowledge of what these are. So force field, if you see, mostly I don't think anybody uses this, like pros must be using them, but these are all like, yeah, helpful kind of. Like only one thing that comes to my mind when seeing this is just I make grass with this particles modifier. Oh sorry, particle, new particle, hair. Oh my god, why is this so? No, it's not straight. I don't know why, but okay. Then what we do is just instead of for the cube, we'll go directly add force field wind, grab it, y-axis. It's facing the z-axis. Let's rotate it on x to 90 degrees. No, wrong side, minus 90. Yeah, so I guess we have to turn on the hair dynamics or something, I don't know. Let's just see what happens now. If you play spray, nothing happens. So let's see if hair dynamics something like that works. Collisions, we don't know. Structure, volume, catcher, and there are a lot of options. Let's just play. Oh, it's working. See, this is what 6 FPS looks like for a wind on some hair grass, you can say. 6 FPS, that's what I'm getting right now. Okay, I just cannot even think of what that ship environment or scene that I just thought of doing would do to my PC. Can't even imagine that. Okay, so it's what we say, some has just standing here, some has gone through wind, nothing has affected by the cube. I guess we need to have had collision. What if we had a collision to this? Yeah, collision. Would this stop? We need to build this force field. That is the reason why it's getting this messy Ronaldo. No. Again, no, something's missing. We are definitely messed up. Oh, it's my just PC voice. We'll just delete this not default cube. Now man, this simulation is broken. Just delete this property. I don't like it. Maybe some other day that time will come. Let's get to the next physics property. Collision, we all know collision is not that great. Cloth takes a lot of RAM and GPU and whatnot. Dynamic paint is cool, like doesn't need a lot of GPU and power, but still very great. I'll show you. Soft body also takes, fluid is massive. Rigid body is the best, I think. Rigid body does everything. I love rigid body the most. I don't really have a plan in this video what to do actually, but I guess let's just stop now.